Another day, another trig. Back up there is Alphin Pike. Best way to get to it is straight up it, but where's the fun in that? So I'm going up to Chew Reservoir and then back on the ridge. So my view at the moment is Dovestone. So let's get off the ugly unshaven face and get a proper view. So yeah, Dovestone. Isn't that beautiful, eh? So I parked in the £4.40 for over 4 hours car park, not too bad I suppose. And typical British people can't drive when there's a bit of ice on the ground, sliding all over the car park. So today I've got me spike things. Well, they're not spikes, are they? They sort of help me grip in the ice a little bit. Not proper spikes, they're at home. Anyway, let's get this going. Get away from those people who think that wheel spin on an ice is a way to get grip. Oh well, onwards. Look at it, eh? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, path down there, back to the car park, Alphin Reservoir distance. And then we've got a sloping path up to Chew Reservoir there, where the sun is. Isn't that picturesque, eh? Very much so. It's transformed, isn't it? I mean, a little bit of snow and it's really transformed. Views are just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, Bernard. Beautiful. There's a couple up there I'm leapfrogging with, but I think they're getting ahead of me now. Look at that, eh? Just look at that. Isn't that glorious? Completed the 316, we're going up there. And up into the sun. That's beautiful. Taking it slow. Hang on. I'm taking it slowish today. One reason is I've got lots of layers on. If I up a gear, I'm going to start sweating like a proverbial. I'll have to take the layers off. But the wind is that cold, I'll have to put them back on straight away. So it's going to pay to trog, if you know what I mean. Tortoise and air. Something like that. Tortoise for me. But that's it. That's my view. -6. It said -2 in the car park, but on the mountain weather it said -6. I can believe it. Still beautiful. I mean, look at it. I know, not saying much, but you don't need to say much really. Apart from that's beautiful. And finally, at the top of the road-ish, we're nearly at Chew Reservoir. I'll tell you, those shoe grip spikes, what we like to call them, come in really handy. So, without further ado, let's go around the side of Chew up to Alphin. Oh, that was a big up, that was. Finally. That's a long slog, that is. I've never done it before. Quite enjoyable. Now the last push to Chew Reservoir. Well, you know at the beginning when I said -6 probably. Cold. Yeah. Cold. I've got the Chew Reservoir. Look at this. Chew Reservoir. Can you see where the snow is sat on the ice? Just trickling out from underneath. But well, let's put my feet on it. But Chew Reservoir, frozen. Well, I'll be. Not beautiful, eh? I can feel it getting colder now. In out the sun. As we start to make our way towards the peak. Getting colder. See a bit better. I mean, we come up through the valley there, and that's the extent that it's frozen. Yeah, that's cold. There's a Chew Reservoir at the top there. There's the path that came up. And then the stone reservoir down there. And this is slippy. It's beautiful though, isn't it? It certainly is. I mean, views just keep getting better and better, don't they? Well, I think so anyway. I'm out of that wind at the moment, so I've warmed up a bit. But yeah, beautiful out here. Cold, but beautiful. Oops. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I mean, it's cold, but it's nice. Look at that views, eh? Bit cool on the tops. Lovely skyline there. That upper reservoir there, that was frozen as well. And then some magnificent rock formations. Beautiful. Still going. Still going. And the car's parked just down there. And I come from up there somewhere. But they're beautiful. That's Saddleworth Moor over there. The obelisk. And Alpine Pike, or Alphin Pike up there. But yeah, isn't that pretty? Look at that. I mean, Isn't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful, eh? Now, if I'm not mistaken, and I could be mistaken, but if I'm not mistaken, that's the back end of Alphin Pike, or Alphin Pike, whatever you want to call it. Find out, innit? It's been cold, I'll tell you that. Let's have a look. This is where we find out it's not. Woohoo! There it is. There she is. Alphin Pike. I mean, isn't that framed beautifully, eh? Right. See if I can get to it without breaking my neck. Alphin Pike. He's been very cold face. It's cold up here. But let's just take a loop boot cook from here. I mean, yeah, windy, whatever. Look at that, eh? Certainly rewarded with the views. It's been a bit slippy getting up here though, I can tell you. But yeah, Alphin Pike. Another one down. Right, as we'll leave Alphin Pike behind, or Alphin Pike, we're going to go for the steep down now. I can see a lot of this. It's going to be on my backside, but hey ho. C'est la vie, c'est la guerre, as they say. But yeah, lost my spike things. Never mind. Oh, I can tell you something. It's a steep one coming down there with snow and ice, and I've still got that to go. But beautiful view. Beautiful view. That coming down there was horrendous. I mean, I've done it in summer where it's been boggy and, you know, slidey, but that is just snow with solid ice underneath. And yeah, interesting. But that's me view now. There's the obelisk over there, left hand part of that hill. And mosey on back to the car. Been a nice walk, it really has been a lovely walk. Well, gonna show you before I came out, but then I thought, you know what, it's gonna be cold up there. Oh, look at that. Oh, there was a robin came and just a robin on the window mirror, you know what I mean. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, I was gonna have a shave, but I thought it's gonna be cold up there. Don't think I'll bother. It was freezing, absolutely freezing. At least -6, but it was really enjoyable. So from Dovestone Reservoir, Dovestone Reservoir, up to Chew Reservoir, and then along the top to Alphin Pike, and then down. There was one heck of a down. I mean, anybody that's done Alphin knows how boggy it is. I mean, it's always boggy going up there. But coming down it, imagine that bog is solid, but then it's covered with ice and snow. Yeah, it was treacherous coming down there. So me pace actually was an overall slow pace because of it at 1.5 miles an hour. But if it hadn't been for that half an hour of coming down well, Alphin Pike, you know it's steep. It would have been a bit higher, but it doesn't really matter because I got to the trig and it's nice, and did it in snow. Not masses of it, but it was snow, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lovely, lovely day out. So that was 7.01 miles, yeah, from the sailing club up to Chew Reservoir. That was frozen. That surprised me. I didn't think it was, well, obviously it is that cold because Chew Reservoir is frozen over. Up to Alphin Pike and down. Really, really enjoyed it. So thank you very much for coming along. You know, this channel just started off of me as memories and reflection for when I can't hike anymore, and I'm just amazed at how many people choose to follow this old bugger doddering around the hills at normally 1.6 miles an hour. So thank you very, very much. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Like I said last time, hopefully come out every week, but can't guarantee it. Real life, as you know, YouTube's lovely, but real life comes first. So yeah, if you'd like to drop a comment, I always answer every comment. Like, subscribe, share if you really want. Don't know why, maybe, who knows. But anyway, UK, see, tired, words are gone. Take care of yourselves, and remember, live your best lives. Ta-ra. Catch you on the next one.